Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are going to learn about the associate transformation function that will let us to build maps from collections or lists. Let's get started. So let's say that I'm having a list of, I don't know, just some simple strings here, and I want to build a map from that. I can do the following. Because all the transformation operations we saw previously don't allow us to create maps except map keys and map values. So here you can do list and you can do the associate. So we have different versions with this associate. The first one, which is this one, associate. It will give you the it, which is this one, and you can choose how you can create your map. So the idea here that you should return a pair. So you can use a pair like that, and you can return the following. You can return, for example, the it as the first parameter. And let's say that the it, I don't know, just the length, for example. As you can see here, this will return, let me just print that and run it. As you can see, this will return 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, because the length is simply 3, and so on, 4 and 5, and so on. So this way to create maps from collections like that. Okay, so this associate will work on iterables. So if you click here, it will work on iterables. Can sets and so on. This is the first example. If you want, let's say that this one will be the key by default. You can do something like the following. You can use associate with. You will have to return here only one thing. Let's say you did it with the length. The associate with will let the element of this list will be the key. So if you run it, we will have 1 as the key, which is the same example. But if you want the reverse, you can do the associate by. Here is by, and the length will be the first. We have a problem here because list we have two things with length 3. So the last one will be provided. So here, that's why we have this one. So the first one, it creates 3 with 1. And the second time, it also encounters this 2 and also has its length 3. So it erases it, right? So it's replaced. So you need to pay attention with a map for this kind of thing. We don't have this kind of thing in list. We have this kind of restriction in sets in which it will delete the repeated value. So you have to pay attention to that. So that's the way you can create maps from this iterable and list. So I hope you understand what I was saying. Thanks a lot for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and see you in the next videos. Salam alaikum.